Hi everybody, I'm Michael. Today we're going to be talking about the Hawaiian bamboo, this beauty behind me, and how you can best grow her in your yard. So, you ready to dig in? Let's grow. The Hawaiian bamboo goes by the botanical name Bambusa vulgaris Vittata, and she's a beauty. Look at her. Easily gets up to about 50 feet tall. Really, really cool plant for your South Florida garden. She also goes by the common name painted bamboo or green stripe bamboo. So what we're going to do now is we're going to bring you over up close and we'll show you some of these wonderful plant characteristics. The main thing the Hawaiian bamboo is known for are these wonderful yellow canes. Look at them. Aren't they beautiful? And one thing to know about the Hawaiian bamboo is that in most bamboos is that they drop a lot of leaves. So you want to make sure you don't put this right on top of a swimming pool. The branches and leaves will develop at a node here and form these wonderful, wonderful leaves. So beautiful. The golden bamboo is just one of the most memorable bamboos out there. These bright yellow canes with green stripes, they just look painted. So cool looking. I mean, look at this. That looks fake. Look at those stripes, so pretty. The canes will get to about 2.5, 3 inches. Typically, they can get a little bit larger in diameter. This here, so you can see that this is a mature one, but they come out as a little gross at the base of, this is a clumping type of bamboo, and the new growth will come out as a little shoot, a little bamboo shoot like this, these leaves, but they grow very fast. This is a fast grower. It'll get to this mature size in about 4 years. If you put her in like in a 7-gallon container or even a 3-gallon, maybe a little bit more than 4 years. But these are very fast growers. They are hardy. They are good to grow all the way up to like zone 9B. It probably could do 9A, but these plants can handle a light freeze, but you don't want a hard freeze because that'll kill them to the ground. But they can do well from pretty much anywhere from 9B south, but probably even 9A, which 9A gets you up into that Central Florida area. Okay, now that we've gone over that, let's talk about plant care. On plant care, you want to give your bamboo full sun or partial shade. And on soil type, you want a well-drained but fertile soil mix. So you don't want to have her just like growing in sand. They prefer a rich medium to grow in, but you don't want to have it stagnant. So you don't want to have her growing in muck, but you can have her growing in a loamy mix. Oh, I don't know if you heard that rustling. That's so cool. You can add an organic fertilizer to help your bamboo grow, but you don't need to. They're pretty hardy. For pests, there's not many pests that affect this bamboo. So she's a real tough one for your yard. So she's a good choice for your garden. Isn't that yellow so beautiful in the landscape? Ah, so pretty. You want to water your bamboo 3 times a week to get established. And if you have loamy soil, then the soil itself is going to hold water, so you don't need to always be aware of that. But bamboos tend to like more water than less. So if you're noticing your plant suffering a little bit, it could be that you're not giving her enough water. And now with that, I'm going to rotate over into in-depth care instructions so you can get all this information written out and you can take a screenshot if you'd like. And then we'll come back and do a quick closing at the end. All right, let's go into that step. We want to thank you for joining us today. But if you have any thoughts or questions, just leave them in the comment section below and I'll make sure I get back to you. And until the next video, bye.
If you found value in this video, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. We post weekly. Thanks.